I'm here to represent the people of Subang. I'm here to represent all of you sebagai ahli parlimen. Okay? I'm not here to represent the party. I'm not here to represent the Prime Minister. I'm not here also to fight the Prime Minister. I'm a member of parliament of the government. But when it comes to Azam Baki, when it comes to this core issue on corruption, MACC corruption, I'm not against MACC. I'm against Azam Baki. I'm not against the MACC because MACC, I think lah, at least lah, maybe 80%, 90% good people. Dia buat kerja dia. Tapi kita against MACC corporate mafia. Betul tak? Betul. Okay, so this is what we have to do. The main point is this. Saya dah beritahu kerajaan saya sendiri, kalau kita nak buat komiti, nak siasat Azam Baki, 2-3 perkara kena buat. Yang pertama, jangan saja cakap tentang share. Share 800,000, dia beli 1.2.3 juta, kemungkinan besar. Azam Baki dia kata, saya dah jual share saya. Kita semua tahu dia hilang 400,000 dah. Kalau you brother, you 400,000 hilang, you menangis tak? Betul tak? You ada 100,000 dalam bank? Tak ada pun. Dia sambil saja hilang 400,000 like nobody's business. So berapa aset dia? Dia kata boleh siasat. You tell to the public now, what is your asset? Declare publicly, I dare you. Don't say I very free lah, you nak investigate lah, okay. Then why don't you publicly declare your asset? Your car, your house, how many wives you have, what they have. Just tell us all. We will accept. But you don't want to judge him, okay? Dia yang penting, garden leave, kena leave. Kena suspend dulu. You don't suspend him, he can go to the office, he can tell his MACC officer go harass our friend Rafizi. He can do everything. Dalam semua kes di dunia, kalau ada isu besar, dia kena ambil garden leave. So we demand Azam Baki, be an honourable man. You got nothing to hide, take the leave lah. Tak apa-apa lah. Okay, number 2, composition of the committee. Perdana Menteri saya tak tahulah. Saya dulu nasihat dia banyak. Tapi dalam 2 tahun ni tak dinasihati lah. Ada habis lah cerita dia. Okay, tak apa. Find better advisors. You want to show that you are clean, the government is good, Madani government, my government. I'm embarrassed. You pick 3%, 3 of them are civil servant. The Attorney General has to work with the MACC boss. Isn't that a direct conflict of interest? Yes! That's why I tell the Prime Minister lah, please lah, get better advisor. Bring Tengku Maimun, boleh tak? Yes! Maimun! Tengku! Okay, and then one more. I want to announce here lah. I know he's a bit shy. Tapi orang cakap tadi tu, Pushpan tu, daripada C4, I think the CSO should appoint him lah, masuk as the 5th member. Setuju tak? Yeah. Last point. I am a government MP. I want to see my government succeed. But to succeed, they must reform. This issue is the biggest issue we face. If we cannot address this issue, jangan jadi reformati. Come back reformasi. Okay? Please, I advise my members of parliament, Pakatan Harapan especially, please, come and support. Rabi Rafizi akan push a petition to ask the MP to take a stand. Support us. Kita dah dengar daripada Teresa Kok, dia sokong kita. So we thank you, Teresa Kok. Okay? Yeah. Don't give up, ladies and gentlemen. I know orang mudah marah. I understand your frustration. But let us work through the system. Let us bring back reformasi and deliver something to you. But this is the test case. And this is my last promise to you. If the government do not handle this matter properly, as a member of parliament of the government, I will fight the government with you.
Ya, terima kasih.